Hello guys, today we'll analyze one stock from the piping sector and the name of the stock is Texmo Pipes and Products. Now some of the major clients of this company includes in the government sector they are BSNL, Railways, MTNL, Power Grid and few more. In the corporate sector also they have major clients which include Tata Power, Idea which is now Vodafone Idea, Reliance Communication, Siemens. Having a look at their product portfolio, then they have CPVC pipes which are used for chemical or hot water purpose, SWR pipes used in drainage, plumbing pipes, submersible pipes which are the column pipes, rigid PVC pipes used in agriculture purpose, casing pipes for tube well, drip irrigation systems, suction hose and garden pipes, HDPE coils, PLB HDPE duct which are used for communication purpose, sprinklers and pipes and fittings, conduit pipes and solvent cement. So they have a wide range of products which can be applied in diversified field. Currently, the company has around 2,500 dealers, and most of these dealers are present in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Now, let's hope that in the future, company can increase their reach to nearby states like Chhattisgarh or Maharashtra. Let us now have a look at the stock. So, the market cap of the company is just rupees 143 crores, and the current price of the stock is around 49 rupees. But if we have a look at the book value, then the book value of the stock is around 77. So the current price is less than the book value, which is very positive sign for the investment. The face value of the stock is around rupees 10 and it has generated 257% returns in the last 1 year. The PE ratio of the stock is just 10.8, but when we compare it with the sector PE, it is around 23. So looking at the book value and the stock PE, we can see that stock is very undervalued than the sector. The debt to equity ratio for the company is just 0.10. So it is almost debt free, not completely debt free. Having a look at their peers, so we can see their peers are Astral, Supreme Industries, Phenolex, and the market cap of Texmo Pipes is very less when we compare with these companies. But this is not a discouraging factor. In fact, it is more encouraging because this company has such huge space and huge market to grow. When we have a look at their quarterly profit, we can see that Texmo Pipes has a 183% growth in their quarterly profit. Another important thing, just have a look at the PE ratio of these stocks. Astral has 92, Supreme has 24, Prince Pipes has 32, but for Texmo Pipes it is just 10. So even if Texmo Pipes improve their performance in the future and they are able to gain a PE ratio of 25, then their stock price could easily be around rupees 125. But the one concern which I found about the stock is its returns ratios. Return on capital employed ratio for other companies is approx 30, 35, 40. But for Texmo Pipes, it is just 9.18. And even return on equity is around 4%. So these ratios are not very impressive and company needs to work on their returns. Having a look at the past earnings growth, we can clearly see that in the last 5 years, company has grown their earnings by 60% approx, but industry has only grown by 18%. In the last 1 year, company has completely outperformed the industry. They have grown their earnings by 244% approx, whereas other companies were only able to grow approx by 45%. Look at the financial position. In the short term, we can see that assets are more than the liabilities, but more importantly, in the long term, assets are far more than the liabilities. This proves that a company has a very strong financial position. Debt to equity ratios position, if we see, then the current debt to equity percentage is around 12.2%. This red line is the debt part, and we can see that in the recent time this graph is going downward, so company has reduced their debt, whereas this green line is the cash available with the company, which is little less than the debt, but company has very strong position and in future it may also become debt free. So these are very positive signs for the investment. When we see their quarterly results, we can see that sales are improving quarter by quarter. In the last 3 quarters, they were very good, but their operating profit margin has remained almost constant around 7%. On a yearly basis, we can clearly see that operating profit margin was 13, 11, 7, and it has continuously reduced or remained constant. So currently this net profit is increasing due to increase in sales. But in future, if company is able to improve their returns, then this company can perform very well in the future. When we see shareholding pattern, we can see that promoters holding was around 35%, but recently promoters started buying their own shares and now promoters holding is around 44%. So this shows that promoters have a lot of trust over the company and proves to be a very good sign for the company. Even foreign institutions bought some stake in the company. Domestic institutions also have some stake and public stake is around 55%. Now guys, this is the chart of Texmo pipes on a 1 month time frame. We can find one resistance for the stock at the level of 55 and currently stock is trading below this level. On a daily time frame, we can see that stock is consolidating in a sideways pattern and there is a good support for the stock at the level of 45. So if somebody wants to buy for a long term, I think they can buy at the current level. But if the stock breaks this support of 45 in future, then we can expect much lower levels and we can expect the stock to reach the levels of 33. So guys, this was all from this video. If you found the content helpful, then you can like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, in the comment section, you can let me know if I missed any important point about the company. Thank you.